Okay, let's have a look at the question. Okay. Write a program to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. It's very beautiful one. If it is a palindrome, print palindrome with P capital and not palindrome with just N capital. And there is one space. Is how to check out whether it's palindrome or not. If you're going to understand palindrome, there are two different ways. Okay. One way is to identify using the reverse. That's a beautiful part where you can understand how to reverse a number also. First, we'll learn how to reverse a number. Okay. If I have got 454 as the number, I will first take out the remainder. Okay. That is nothing but 4. Next remainder, I'll get it as 5. Next remainder, I'll get it as 4. So instead of this, I'll take some random number because this is getting confused for you guys. I'll take out 123. What should be the reverse? Reverse should be 321. So first remainder will be 3. Next remainder will be 2. Next remainder will be 1. All right. For this remainder, what you have to do? So whatever the remainder you are going to get, multiply the number with 10 and add the other one. So if you get the remainder as 3, 3 into 10 is 30 plus 2. Now the number is 32. Again, multiply with 10 and add the remainder. Can I say it is 32 into 10, 320 plus 1 is 321. Is it the reverse? Yes. First, find the remainder, n modulus 10. Okay, after finding out the remainder, I will take a reverse number. Reverse equals to a reverse plus remainder. What is the first reverse here? So I'm not just going to take out the reverse. A reverse into 10 plus remainder. Initially, reverse will be 0. 0 into 10 is 0. 0 plus remainder. I'll be taking it out. And at last, I'll be taking out n equals to n by 10. Right. Again, you should not take n equals to n by 10 here, because if you're going to take n equals to n by 10, the actual number will get reduced and there will be update in the actual number. So for that case, in order to get rid of that confusion, you have what you have to do. You have to take out a temporary number and you have to copy it. Is it clear? You have to take out a temporary number and you have to copy it. Okay, we'll move on to the coding part then. Here we have to find out the reverse, right? So first I'll write a code for reverse, then I'll check whether it's a palindrome or not. Okay. Yes, first I'll scan the number int n. Okay. Next I'll be taking out scanf %d and I'll be storing it in the address of n. So once it is done, what we have to do, we have to run a for loop where we'll for loop or while loop, anything is fine. So we'll be taking out the reverse here. Okay. For I equals to n. Now, if I'm going to take out the n value gets updated here, right? N value gets updated. So what I'll do is I'll put on one temporary value here. I'll put on one temporary value. That is nothing but temporary equals to n. I'll copy that value here. Okay, so that the actual value of n should not get updated. So I can say when I equals to temporary, I'm starting with that. Okay, and temporary value is greater than 0 or not equals to 0, anything you can take, and I plus plus. Okay, you can take out I plus plus. I plus plus is just a condition, no need to worry about that. Or you can take out, sorry, you have to take out I equals to I divided by 10. That's the condition here. I equals to I divided by 10. The temporary value is getting updated. Okay, we have assigned I equals to this one. So inside this, what I have to take, first I will take out the remainder. Remainder equals to I modulus 10. I modulus 10. And for this, I'll be taking out reverse equals to reverse into 10. Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus the remainder. So initially, I will take reverse equals to 0. So I'll take out reverse equals to 0. And I have remainder also. And I have taken temporary. Now, if you're going to look into this, I'm not dividing the temporary value. I'm just dividing the I here, which is being copied. So you can just ignore this. And we can just take it as n itself. Okay, here we have got the reverse now. Reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus remainder. We'll be taking out by dividing here. So at last, I will print the value that is the reversed one. Printf percentage d, and I am going to print out the reverse number. Reverse number. We'll check with this code if it is satisfying or not. So I have taken I here. Yes, any other thing we have taken? No, right? I'll check out with this number. I'll take 123. Yes, look here. Here, what we have done is we have taken n greater than 0. We have not updated anything. So n will be always greater than 0. It should be I greater than 0, right? We have copied n to I. So I should be greater than 0. So please look into this. Whenever you are going to get time limit exceeded, it means it's nothing but an infinite loop. Yes, we have taken the number 1, 2, 3, and we have got the answer as 2, 3. We have taken 1, 2, 3, we have got 3, 2, 1. So we got to know that it's exact reverse, right? So when you have got the reverse, what you have to do? What you have to do is if the given number, if the number is equals to reverse, then I have to print, palindrome. I have to print palindrome, else not palindrome with just n capital. With just n capital. Yes. So here I need to get the answer whether it's palindrome or not. For this 1, 2, 3, I need to get not a palindrome. Okay. Then I'll take out 454, right? It should print a palindrome. Yes, fine. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. And for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.